back to our channel. I am Michelle.
And I'm Steph.
And today we are starting another one room challenge.
Yeah, we are going to reveal our entire basement space to you in this challenge, so be sure to follow along over the next 8 weeks as we reveal all of our DIY projects. This beautiful built-in behind us is one of them. Today we're going to focus on the design plan and show you our vision for the entire space. So right now, coming down the stairs, we have two different doorways here. We're going to take this door off, open it up to this hallway, then the door will go there for our storage room. On this other side of the wall, we have our bathroom. So we'll have vanity here. The door goes into our craft room. And then there will be another door right here because it's a Jack and Jill bath. Then coming through this other door, it will lead you into our main living area. So first, this is the other side of the bathroom. So there will be a door here, vanity, and then the toilet, and then that will be the door to, not that blue one, but this space right there will be a door separating the shower area from this side. And we built a little niche right here so that we can have like toilet paper storage in the wall, because we had 2x6 framing already, and then we had to add another wall, or yeah, we had to add this other little wall with our tub. So we decided to utilize this space for some storage.
Since filming this video, we have finished this bathroom space. We revealed it last spring, 2021, in a one-room challenge. So you can tap that link above to see the results from that space. This is just a little teaser to show you what it looks like. But we are so thrilled with the way it turned out. And this will also just kind of give you an idea of the finishes and color scheme that we are going to bring into the rest of the space down here in the basement. You can also check the description below for detailed videos on every single DIY project in this bathroom space.
This is going to be a future bedroom. You can see right now the children have taken over and don't clean up very well. So this is going to be bedroom, toy room / workout room. Coming out of the bedroom, we are now facing that wall and the door at the bottom of the stairs. When we built our home, we had this big header installed so that we could take this portion of the wall down when we finish our basement. So that is what we are going to do. Then we'll install a railing down there and just have the door gone so that it's just more open and inviting for the basement.
Then underneath the stairs, we are going to be doing what my little miss calls her dream house. We have some lighting figured out right there already. We're going to do a door and a window, do a little fireplace, so the exterior will look like a house, and then inside has all the toys like her little kitchen and bistro
set so she can play in there. Now the back side of this bedroom, we have an L-shaped kitchen planned. So we've got all of our electrical work up. We've put some lights up top too. We're gonna do a little feature wall. And so we'll have cabinetry and a big feature wall on this side. It should be pretty cool. Then we luckily do have some pretty big windows down here and 9-foot ceilings, so it doesn't feel quite like a dark, gloomy basement. So I love it.
And then this is just one big
living area that we are going to just keep open. We have two big closet areas down here. One of them, this one, we are going to turn into like a little nook for reading. So we're going to do built-in seating with like a cushion and lots of pillows. And then on this side, we're going to do built-in shelving, and this side as well, built-in shelving right there, and we'll do some fun light fixtures at the top of them as well. This other closet we are going to leave as closet space so that we have plenty of storage, and we do have electrical outlets in there to charge gaming controllers, things like that. And then over here is going to be like our feature wall. So you'll notice that we've got this center section is framed out right now. This will be mantle and surround for a I wish it were gas, for an electrical fireplace. And then on the two sides, we're planning to do 2 bookcases on both sides, and they will have cupboards on the base. We're designing it to cover these ginormous speakers that, you know, somebody insisted we have for the entertainment center. So you'll want to make sure you watch that so that you know how we are going to build this to customize it, and you'll really see that it's pretty doable. You can do a lot on your own. So with that, we do have a screen that is recessed up here in the ceiling, and that is going to stay up there so that we can pull it down when we need it. And it is controlled by this little switch here. So once the sheetrock gets done, we'll have that poking out through the wall on the inside of the closet. Then we plan to have a large sectional here. We'll get new furniture, and that is our basement plan. We are hoping to tackle it a little quicker now, and we can have some fun parties down here. So today is wall removal day. Woo woo! We are excited. So how do you go about removing a wall? Well, we are on this side.
Hi.
Will you point out where you put your hole?
There's 2 holes right here.
So he drilled a hole through the other side of the wall, right next to the stud, so he knew where to make this line. And then we also have, excuse me, buddy.
Okay.
Where is this hole? Right here is a hole. We have put a couple here just so we know we have the angle right on the other side of the wall, because it will be up just a little bit. So we're gonna have to frame like a small little pony wall here first. So what we're doing now is, this is where he has drilled through so he can mark exactly where the wall is going to go. So we're going to score the sheetrock there. We'll score it on the angle there, and then we can remove this bottom 2x4, and we can just start taking everything down.
Okay, I'll just help you a little bit. Okay, squeeze. Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Jeez.
So right now we're just marking the wall a little bit more so we can get that angle
Cash.
on the other side.
Oh. But Dad,
Okay.
I really like it, like the here and.
So right now we're just gonna put a hole through the wall at the bottom of the header so we know where to measure on the other side of the wall. And we've already done that. We've got a hole there and one over there. So I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. So here is where one of the nails has poked through. Got another one right there. And then we measured 1.5 inches above that so that we can take down that 2x4 that's underneath the header, and then the sheetrock will have place to, they'll be able to secure new sheetrock around the header. And then so we've taken and made a straight line with our truck line, which we're going to continue down there as well, so we know where we can score the wall. So right now I'm just going to use my utility knife and score where we have made that line so that the sheetrock will come off nice and not rip other parts of the wall that we don't want to take down. And I've also done down here, so we're ready to go. And now the kids get to help take the wall down. Pretty hard, isn't it? Oh, boy. You want to try now?
Yeah. I
Do you feel a little bit naughty?
Yes. No, not at all. I want to have a turn. I want to have a turn. I feel naughty. I don't. I did it. I want to do it. Oh. Big one. Go again. I'm going to do that one. Die wall. But the wall was so nice.
Look at this, just open up already. It's gonna be so nice.
I feel so naughty. What the heck? This is like a big chunk in this.
It's Sheetrock Day. We are so excited. We've been waiting for this for all day. Longer than that, but we've been waiting all day for them to come. And look how slick this crane is. It sure beats bringing these heavy pieces in one at a time. We did do that with our office, and they're heavy. They are going to crane it all the way to the side of our yard and then put the sheetrock right through the basement window. Pretty slick. That thing just keeps going and going. Fun stuff. We're all ready for sheetrock now. Just give you a quick look how it turned out. We've got piles and piles and piles of sheetrock everywhere. We are all sheetrocked now and ready for mudding. So we've got this bedroom here, the Jack and Jill bath, and then our big living area. We'll have that L-shaped kitchenette right there, a fireplace at that end with two built-ins, closet space, our reading nook, and then our little dream house.
We hope you got some great ideas for how to design your basement so that it is functional and fun for a family.
Yeah, and you'll notice we are standing in front of the dream house. It is painted right now, but we are not going to reveal what we're going to do for the finished product in this video series. So be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out what we're going to show you with that in our next one room challenge.
It's going to be so amazing. I'm going to want it for myself. So thanks for watching this video, and we hope that you have enjoyed it. Drop us a comment if you have any questions or any comments you want to make about it. We'd love to hear from you. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.